Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the watch band on a Fitbit Sense. This will be an easy step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my Fitbit Sense and it has a watch band on it. Whether you want to use the bigger or the smaller watch band or just change it out for a completely different one, this is the video for you. If you look on the underside of the Fitbit Sense, so not where the actual display is, but the underside, the side that touches your wrist, okay? So the side that would actually make contact right over here, we're gonna look at that side. You can see that there are these little, they look like buttons almost, but they're really like levers, or sliders, I should say, on either side of the band. So to remove the old band, what you wanna do is take that little slider and you want to push it towards the side of the band that you're dealing with. So I'm going to take the slider and I'm pushing it towards that band, okay? Pushing it towards the band, and then you can just pull the band off, just like that, okay? As you can see right there. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Take the slider, push it towards the band, and then pull the band off, okay? Just like that. Then you can get your new band and you can install it, okay? Which in this case, I'm just gonna be putting the old one back on. But like I said, you can get a different sized band or a different style band. To put it back in, all that you gotta do is press it in place. You can see there's a little notch right there that deals with the slider. So you literally just take the band, make sure it's in the right way that you wanna use it, obviously. So take the band and just push it in place, and you hear a click right there, so you can give it a quick little pull to make sure that it's in there. Okay, once again, I'll do the other side. Get the band and just push it in place, okay? And listen for the click. I apologize, my laundry room is right beside me and I have the washer and the dryer going, so it's pretty loud in the background. I'm so sorry about that. But listen for the click. There you go. And then just give it a quick little tug just to make sure that it's in. And that's it. That is essentially how to deal with the watch band, how to remove the watch band and install a new one, how to replace the watch band with a Fitbit Sense. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.